cramming does not work. It hasn't any sort of use, creating poor links, tension, frustration as well, and when you will miss anything, then you will miss all the learned things. So please try to avoid any sort of cramming. Just try to make stronger links with your energy and with the references. Whatever you are learning, get that one by a proper study pattern within 20 minutes. Try to revise it, try to make some sort of links as well, make your own notes by some sort of references, write down these sort of things. Even that, because I am saying that the different nature students, someone is there who is trying to write and then memorize, writing and memorize, so it's okay as well. Then it is up to you. You can read, you can memorize the things, you can learn by heart by reading, and you can while you're writing, and then you can learn as well. It is depending entirely upon your own nature. I'm not restricting, but I restrict you all people. Please don't make any sort of cramming. Cramming does not work. Believe me, creating just burden over there, and with simple sort of missing, it may be pressure, you can miss everything for your memory. So what I want to talk, especially for the people, when you are thinking that you are making some sort of cramming, then stop learning. When you are making sound and memorizing by some sort of cramming sort of things, then stop, because it is not for a longer period of time. You will not be able, even while you're attempting any sort of test as well. So please try to memorize things with reference and proper pattern of memory. Here, you know what is happening. Someone is saying that he is, because of the computational environment, he is not studying. Research has shown the students who are getting failed in the examination, they are making lesser mistakes than the students who are achieving remarkable results in the examination. Research has shown what is happening. The failure students are making the same mistakes while sitting in the examination hall, when the toppers one, the outstanding students have made the same mistakes but at their homes. So what I mean, there is no genius, there is no difference. Everyone has the same memory pattern, same memory, same brain, same talent, same skills as well. It is the way. How are you adopting? How are you learning? What sort of pattern adopted by you people? Here I am sharing with you people the pattern of memory. Every human being miss whatever learned within 24 hours. What is learned, 80%. What has supposedly be learned by the students. So what I mean is the nature. Topper students are also having this same problem. 80% removed from their memory. The failure students are also. But it is simple. Just try to revise within 24 hours. Make a principle for you. I'm talking about all students. Make a principle for you. You will not go to your bed. You will not sleep till then. You will not revise what is learned during a day into your classroom, any other resource as well. Please revise it first within 24, then go to your bed. When you will make this principle till even late at night, when you will revise your lesson, it will be in your memory for always. And I hope that you will be able to get remarkable results in your life as well. Thank you.